In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Sendwave. First off, you'll want to head over to the Sendwave app on your device. Once you're in the app, the initial setup is an important step. Begin by entering your full name, email address, and phone number. These details are essential as Sendwave uses this information to verify and secure your account. As you're setting up, you'll also need to decide the country to which you will be sending money first, as this information is vital for processing your transfers. Once you have your details filled out, the next step involves specifying your recipient. First, type in the name of your recipient and choose the appropriate country from the list provided. It's important to double check that you've selected the right country, as this ensures that your money reaches the intended destination without any hitches. Now, enter the amount you wish to send and take a moment to verify the amount your recipient will receive. This step is crucial for understanding the conversion rates and fees involved, allowing you to confirm that your recipient receives the correct amount. With these details in place, click Continue to proceed with your transfer. You'll be prompted to choose a payout method. You'll need to provide the recipient's first name, surname, and mobile number. Make sure to re-enter the mobile number to confirm it's correct. Double-checking recipient information is a great way to avoid errors, ensuring the money ends up where it's supposed to. Selecting the payout method is a simple decision, but an important one. Make sure to select a method that is most convenient for your recipient. Following this, choose the country where you are sending the money to if you haven't done so already. Then continue with the process by clicking on Continue to Send. Next, you'll be required to add your card information. Securely input your card details and thereafter, click Save to store them in the app. For enhanced security, consider using cards you regularly monitor to easily track transactions. You'll also need to add your address information. Completing these details is vital to ensure there's no hitch when verifying the transaction. Once your address information is filled out, you'll need to click Finish to submit your details completely. Before confirming your transfer, you might be asked to specify a reason for the transaction, an optional step, but can be helpful for tracking your transactions within the app. Once you've completed all the necessary steps and reviewed your details, hit Confirm Transfer to finalize and send your money. If you're setting up on another device, you may need to navigate to Android apps on Google Play to re-download or update the Sendwave app. Simply click on Search, type Sendwave, and follow through with the installation by clicking on the correct app.